ko lang mag-exam sa PLM. Yung sinundo ako ni Tim, right?
Manila boy.
Asan tayo?
Tayuman Station.
On
Going
the
to
way.
Intramuros.
Central.
Central Station.
Outfit check din lang.
Ganda.
Guys, baliktad pala yung LRT. Dapat sa kabila kami sumakay.
Akala ko, like tama na. Kasi like, nakita ko.
So, nakatawid na kami, guys. What are you going to do? Para pabalik sa Central Union. Central Union ba?
Wala. Magkano po ba?
Done? Yay! Let's go. Let's go! Yay! So, ganda pala mag-Manila, no? Like, it's so hassle.
Yes.
Right?
Parang dito palang pagod ka na bago ako pumunta sa... May POV.
Yan. Sige, mami, own me home na to.
We are now at...
We just passed on the SM Manila.
Yes, right.
Ay, ew! Ay, bumili kami nitong Big Siomai. Uy, pag hindi naka 0.5, ang pangit niya na.
Ayan ako.
Delete mo na yan.
Hey.
Kanina ka magkapos ako.
Bili. So, we bought...
Itong siomai, Big Siomai. Ito kulit ko.
Ano ba yan? Ako yung kulot mo eh. Guys, so we are at City Hall.
Hall of Manila. Dora the Explorer.
Diego.
Okay, kasi ano.
Kasi
Ikaw yung monkey. Bayan, every time na itatapat ko. Ayan o. Ito lang yan. Ha? Ano mo? Yung zoom in mo. Hindi ka lang kung saan tayo. Dito? Or doon? Hello guys, we're going to La Catedral to eat.
Wow, nakita pa yun. Sabay.
Oh, ito.
Ganda naman nito.
Sheesh!
Let's go.
I'm so tired. Look at that. It's so pretty guys, so. Sinabi mo na kung nasan tayo.
Let La Catedral.
Look at the ambience. Okay, what's your food?
Carbonara and Spanish.
Yum.
Natin.
Shrimp algae. And then, my favorite matcha.
Eat na.
Time capsule. No, time capsule to.
So, ayan.
Di ba yung time capsule, like bubuksan mo pag in the future? Kasi yun yung future.
So, it's December 15, 12:55 in 2024. Going on to...
2024 ba?
Going into 2025. So, in the future, doktor na kami ni dalawa ni Caitlyn. Tapos, dito ulit tayo.
Where ba?
Kasi ayaw mo ba? Kung nandito pa to.
Oo. Pili ko naman dito pa to.
Kasi ayaw.
Okay.
We will build a business here dito.
Intramuros. Okay, ako naman. Feeling ko, the future me will be very successful. Wow. Tapos may business ako. Basta alam ko may business ako. Tapos, doctor na rin tayo. Business natin, no? Tapos, doctor na tayo. What if engaged na ako? What if engaged na ako? Engaged na tayo. Engaged na tayo. Bagay sa akin.
Bagay.
So, doon na kami kumain. And
Lakad na
we're
tayo.
walking. And I'm clean.
Oh.
So, Guys, finally, we are at the Intra.
Muros
Hi!
at the church.
Look at that. So beautiful. Makakapag-withdraw na siya, guys. Thank you.
Daming stalls, guys. It's my brother.
Brother daw ni Tim, guys. First.
My bro. Ang ganda.
I love horse. Hi. Look at that.
Hi, guys.
Sabi ko, ang manitaas eh. Bye-bye. We're going alis na. Time check.
2:05.
2:05 na, guys. Pauwi na kami, guys.
We're going to isang bato, isang semento, monument. Ano?
Totoo ba?
Ang Baclaran, Basaw.
That daw kami, guys.
Let's see if it's real or fake.
O yan.